Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Thomas with TMWYT, back again here in my garage with the Mk6 Golf R, my daily driver. Today we just have a quick video on some little interior mods that I have, just waiting for the performance parts to come. Just waiting for Black Friday to hit so I can splurge out and get everything I need for stage 2. So stay tuned for that. That's coming here at the end of November. But we just have a couple of things because I just needed to show the interior some love. We have a couple of boxes from ECS Tuning here that we're just gonna crack right into. So you'll see that you have a very nice red bag here of, what are these? Oh my gosh, so many interior lights. Interior lights from ZiZa LEDs. Boom, boom, so many. We're gonna do the full ZiZa light package for the interior to get rid of the ugly yellow whatever normal bulbs in the interior and switch them all out for ZiZa LEDs. These look super nice. File those to the side. ECS sends, your wine vouchers for all you bitches out here. And magnetic drain plug every single time. Every single time I change my oil, I'll do the magnetic drain plug from ECS. They pack stuff really well. We got the oil filter. Alright. And then every single time I change my oil, we do liquid moly 5W40. You know it's good for your Volkswagen if it says made in Germany up here in the corner. Boom, we'll just slap that stuff in there. She'll be running like a dream. Yeah, the lighting kit was $49.98. Super great price. Next, something I've been wanting to do since I bought the car, WeatherTech floor line mats. Instead of the fabric ones that come in the Mk6, the fronts are 130 and the rears are 75. So about $200 for some floor mats, and to a lot of you that might be way too pricey for some floor mats. You'd much rather spend that elsewhere on the engine. I daily drive the car, I take it up to ski resorts. These are something I've wanted since I bought the car, and I finally got around to buying them. And I will show you guys the quality on these. We have the nice push pin fittings back here for the front of the Mk6, and these ugly badges right here. Look how easy it is to just peel these off if you don't want them. That's super easy. You don't even want them on there. I think the WeatherTech logo is, some of you might like it. It looks kind of nice, but we just file that to the side. Take it off, file it to the side. Super easy. I think they just mean for you to take it off, Laser measured perfect fit. So we'll get these tossed in there along with everything else we're doing today. Just crack open the rears really quick. And these, obviously just as nice. No logos or anything, and these will fit great. It's really nice here. We're gonna toss in the entire ZiZa LED lighting kit here. Get all these little LEDs thrown in. We're gonna do the floor mats and then finish it off with the, what am I doing? The oil change. Too many things to do. Now this is gonna be a little bit different for some of you guys because, my car is a little bit modified. You're just gonna come back. We'll start in the trunk, move up, do all the LED lights. If you don't know how to open a trunk with no VW latch, you use the key. It's a little bit more annoying, but it is what it is. Go for that look. Gotta pay the price. So back here is our first LED light. You can kind of see it peeking back there. In your car, it's just gonna be opened up unless you have some weird stuff done to it like me. We'll just pop this open here. And if you guys ever want to see this, this is basically like my wire management. No, it's not the cleanest in the world, but it hides it from the world. So it is what it is. It's organized for the most part. But what we're looking for down here is that little guy right there. It should be super easy to change out. So basically in the ZiZa lighting kit from ECS, you're gonna have, oh shit. You're gonna have an LED like this, and you're gonna have an LED like that. So I'm gonna call this one a pod, and this one a bar. And the rear, I already know, gets a bar. I think the dome lights get the pods inside. Oh, big send. Okay, you kind of just have to pull it. You, like everything automotive, you think you're gonna break it, but you're not, I promise. Okay, after a little bit of finessing, we finally got these to fit. They're a little bit shorter than the bulbs, so if you kind of see these little prongs here, I had to kind of bend in and make sure that they wouldn't fall out if we hit any bumps. Like that. Bruh, okay, back to the drawing board. Boom. That took way longer than it should have. Jesus Christ. But it's the look that we want. So, geez, that was, oh, these are gonna be plug and play. All right, make sure you set aside a little bit of time to finagle with little tiny lights. Freaking all day long. God. If I ever need to get behind that in a pinch, it'll be nice and bright and light. Okay, and then we'll just kind of move up from there. What we're gonna do is kind of just pull, wow, that was super easy. And wow, very easy. Just gonna pull this little plate off here. You kind of just yank it out, and then these, I guess you just kind of put a glove on so you don't melt your fingers off. I don't want them to like explode. Oh, kind of just pull them out, I guess. Boom, one. Ah, ouch. Ah, so hot. And the reason I'm leaving the lights on, they're like, dang, Thomas wouldn't be so hot. Freaking kept the lights off, you idiot. Oh, well, they're like polarity sensitive, and there's no way of telling, so I think it's just these 3 pod lights here. They're polarities, I don't even know if that's the word. They're polarity sensitive, so you gotta make sure they're going in the right way, because you could do them all, and then have to redo them because they're all backwards. Like that. Oh, yeah, okay. You see, you just push them in. So easy, and then you just get rid of all these little bulbs, put them here, you know where to put these, file them aside, put them in the trash can, because they suck. And then you're just gonna line this back up, and you're kind of just gonna go on and then you kind of just give it a little, well, obviously you want to line this up, and then you kind of just want to like put this back on, like so, with your OEM Volkswagen trim installers, aka your hands. Oh my gosh, look how good those look, guys. They look freaking amazing. Boom. Wow, so much better. Look how bright it is back here. I have no idea if you guys are catching that on the camera, but holy smokes, guys, I'm really happy with how easy that was. Oh yeah, look at that. This nice dome light with LEDs. Looks very nice. Okay, we're just gonna keep moving along here. Okay, we're going for these little guys right here. Boom, boom. Let's get them done. This one, I believe, is a little bit more lengthy of a process, because I have no idea how to get this off. But you kind of just get your little Volkswagen OEM approved trim removal tool here, aka a credit card you don't care about. This is my Top Golf membership. And you kind of just like finesse it in here, I guess is what he was saying on the video. Yes, I watch other people's car videos when I don't know how to do something. Yep, oh look at that, he's so smart. Oh, look at that, oh my, oh shoot, I don't know if I just broke that or not. Ah! Cause this just comes out, I guess. Boom, that's done. And then you have some little Torx bits exposed. All right, there's a little Torx bit right there, which we're just gonna undo really quick. Shouts out the flathead screwdriver, so we're not breaking clips. Oh, look at that, the whole thing just comes down. Oh, did we get him? Is it in? Did it work? Love it, guys. Look at that. Boom. Oh, it's awesome. Okay, now we're just gonna put all this shiz back together. Wait, that goes this way. Yes. Just give it a little push all around the edges. Make sure everything is nice. Look at that. Guys, that looks so nice. Wow, looks so much nicer in here. These install videos, I mean, any video I make in my car now is going to be so much better lit without the yellow lighting. What's up? Pop. Pull this one down and out. Nice. Have my OEM light bulb. Whoa! Aha! Nice. Boom. Footwell lights time. I'm gonna do is slide the seat all the way back and find this little Torx bit right there. Slap that out. Should just be this little piece here. Okay. So you pull that out by just prying with the screwdriver. Yep. Just get that little metal cover off there. And you're left with this little light, which you can kind of just pop out from the back there. Put that in there. We'll grab another pod light. And this just plugs back in. Down here, probably can't see anything. Give me one sec, guys. Let me just, brighten up your day here. Look at that. Wow. And that just slaps back in like so. And then just pushes back to the assembly like that. And then you just push it. Love it. It's super nice and bright down here. Wow. Looks so much nicer. So much nicer. Interior is looking great. Let's flip over to the other side and do that one really quick. Okay, this looks a lot different, but wow, that was really simple. Never mind. I don't know if you guys saw that, but basically, right here, you kind of just reach your fingers behind and push this out. And it's the same kind of dealio as the other side. So you can come in here to get to fit how you want them, but if you spend the time, then they'll fit how you want them to. If you don't, then they won't. It's very simple. Whammy. So we just drop that guy in there. Make sure he works really quick. Boom. This just goes back up in there. Pull out these, and you can kind of see this is 90,000 mile Golf R maps. Obviously these aren't vacuumed right now, but you see they're not really black anymore. They're kind of like a floor black. You know, there's footprints and you know, wear from where I put my heel down for the clutch, and they're kind of just not as good as they were. These are the moves. So you have the little push pins down here. Everything looks really, really nice, and it's nice hard plastic. I think this is a really nice look. They look nice, brand new. I don't like that it covers this. I wish they would have done something a little different there, but I guess to make it a whole kind of tub for stuff to sit in there, like mud, water. I'm not planning on getting it that dirty, but it's a little weird, but it works. It looks really good. It definitely looks very good with the new lights. Front seats look really, really good. Oh yeah. Look how much brighter it is down there. Like, you can actually see down there the nice pedals, and yeah, that's a really nice look. I really like that, guys. And they'll be good for the winter, and I'll be able to spray them out. Very nice, very happy with the quality on those. Definitely worth, I think, the $200 I spent on them. Alright guys, just finished up the oil change. Now just enjoy, oh dear. Moving too quick. Now just enjoy a little cinematic of the few little interior upgrades we did in today's video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. But I'm gonna get out of here and enjoy this little cinematic feature.